Hi there, it's Becca here from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm showing you around this Nissan Qashqai Premiere Edition. It's a 2021 model boasting the 1.3 litre petrol engine with manual transmission. This car comes from only one previous owner with 42,000 miles on the clock, and it's finished in that incredible magnetic blue metallic paintwork. Some of the key exterior features include the automatic LED headlights offering fantastic visibility. The car sits on those brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and also benefits from rear privacy glass and chrome exterior detailing for a great look to the vehicle. Moving into the boot space, you can see the Qashqai offers a fantastic amount of storage room with additional storage beneath the boot floor to keep loose items safe. Heading into the rear seats, you can see they're finished in the full cloth upholstery, and you will find ISOFIX mounting points on the outer two seats if you happen to need them. Going into the driver's interior, you've got controls on the door card for your electric windows and door mirrors. You've got piano black detailing throughout the interior, and the cabin is flooded with light thanks to the fixed glass sunroof. Now the steering wheel is multifunction with the cruise control and speed limiter available on there, along with the volume and media controls for the media system. Going up to the dials, you can see you've got the fully digital instrument display, offering access to your trip information and some of your media features, along with your driver assistance, which does include the lane keep assist and blind spot monitoring. Moving across to the media screen, you've got plenty of features to choose from here too, including full Bluetooth connectivity so you can safely take and make phone calls while out on the go. The car offers plenty of choice when it comes to music with access to DAB, FM and AM radio wave bands, with plenty of preloaded stations available, or if you prefer you can stream your own music via Bluetooth or USB, or even set up Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now the Nissan also offers its own satellite navigation system so you can easily plan routes and check out any nearby points of interest. If we go back into the menu, you can see you've got access to a bunch more of your features with the ability to customise the menu to your liking, and then when you pop the car into reverse it will display the 360-degree camera. Below the media system you will find the dual zone climate control, and just below again you will find the wireless phone charging pad so you can keep your smartphone topped up while out on the go. Moving along you will find the 6-speed manual gear stick and the electric parking brake with auto hold, and then you can see I've got plenty of additional storage with the cup holders in the centre and the armrest that lifts open like so. Thank you for watching the video tour on this Nissan Qashqai, currently available at Motormatch Chester. For more information please contact one of our sales team.